So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how the cross join works using our PostgreSQL database with our Node.js backend. So let's get started. So a little bit of information of how the cross join works. So the cross join basically just combines all of the data from the left table with the right one. So let me show you an example of how to do this. So you do select, actually, first let me show you my tables. So I'm going to use the post table and the users table. So I have a column that has the IDs of all of my users, and if I click one of these IDs are linked to users in this. So the first ID is linked to this user, and I'm going to show this is something that you can also do using a join. Okay, so let me just show you that. So to join both of these tables and join each row of our left column with all the rows in our right column, you need to write a query like this. Select, okay, and I'm going to get the posts ID. I'm going to call it the post ID, okay, and I'm going to get the title of the post and the name of the user, and I'm going to say as user name, okay, and I'm going to get the users dot ID, and I'm going to say as user ID, okay, and I'm going to get that from the post table and use a cross join to combine each column with my users information. Okay, so I'm going to do users to tell it to do that with the users table. And next, and if you're wondering how to set up all of this, you can go and watch the Neon installation tutorial that will show you how to do all of this. So I'm going to save this, and next I'm going to send a request to my backend. So here I'm doing a select all of these and give me all of these columns back from the post and cross join them with the users table. So if I show you, this will be a really long list of rows. Okay, so I have lots of rows, but if you see here, I'm getting the post ID 1, post 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and if you see here, I'm getting the post ID 1 again, but this time it's going to be the user 2. Before it was the user 1, and it's doing that for the post ID 1 and the user 3, and it's doing that for all of them. Okay, so this is how the cross join works. Kind of think of it as 1 multiplied by 2, and then 1 multiplied by 3, and 1 multiplied by 4, and 1 multiplied by 5, so on and so forth, and then the 2 multiplied by 1, 2 multiplied by 2, 2 multiplied by 3, and so on and so forth. Is like that. So this is how the cross join works. So I hope you like this tutorial. Like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.